So let's make this cute little simple set using Born Pretty jelly polish. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I hope well. Today, I want to show you this set that Born Pretty sent me. Bless their hearts. I think it's a jelly pink situation. If y'all seen me before, you know I don't pay close attention to stuff. So let's see what we got. What's this say? Do it say what it is? All shine on me gel polish. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, all of them say Musty Rose. Oh, Musty. All of them say Misty Rose Semi Jelly. So that must be what the collection is called. And from the stickers, they all look like different tones of pink. Let's swatch them and see. We got 6 colors here. I'm going to use these nails. It's not my size because I might as well. Let's get right into it so we can see what we're going to create today. Know what colors we got. It did say jelly, huh? So that's like a milky, light pinkish color. And number 2. Is a singe, and just a singe deeper than number 1. But I can tell when I put on 2 coats, you're going to be able to see the difference there. And let's check out number 3. Okay. This one is leaning more on the nude side, nude color. There's a little more brown in there. And number 4, that's one of my favorite kind of colors there. I think to really see the difference in these, we're going to need that second coat. And number 5. I know these are all looking the same on camera, huh? And number 6. That's more of a baby pink kind of situation, huh? So this is with 1 coat, and this is with 2 coats. Now you can see the difference in the colors there. So I have this design in mind. It's a simple design that I want to do, and I think this would be a good background for it. So I need to choose 1 or 2 colors that I think will go good. And I think that number 2 will be perfect for the transparent background that I need in the back. So let's pull out 2 and work with that. All right, I'm going to start by cutting my nails down just because I like my nails to be short. Get my cuticle pusher, pushing back. Take my little sanding band and just go around the cuticles and along the top of the nail to remove any shine. Now, I'm on low. I'm not fancy. I don't got RPMs and stuff. I got low, medium, high. I'm always on low on my natural nail. What grit is this sanding band? Shit, the one that don't hurt. I am not a nail tech, y'all. And for real, if you ain't either, I suggest you just use a, what's that thing called? Just use a hand file. Don't want to hurt yourself or mess up your nails for what? Now, usually you would prep and prime, but me, I got to use a peel-off base coat because I got to be able to get these things off to get to the next set, right? Now, we're going to be using these extra long full cover tips that I got from Amazon. I believe these are 3XL. But usually the boxes I have like this come from Temu, but this one was from Amazon. Extra long full cover. Are they square? Let me see if these are square coffin because this show don't say. Tips seem fine. They're tips. This one actually, usually they're too round for my thumb. This one's a little round, but it's not bad. Maybe cut it down just a cinch. There, yeah. There you go. All right. And we put our nail in place and we make sure that it covers sidewall to sidewall, completely covering the nail bed. Okay? So the inside of these are not etched. You need to take a drill and etch the inside, make it matte. I'm not going to etch the inside because it'll make it easier for them to pop off when I need to. I get my flash cure lamp ready. My flash cure lamp there, and my taffy gel to make it come together. Ooh, I might need some more taffy gel. I mean, I gotta get another scoop. I don't order from Nail Couture unless I get a scoop with it. But I've been really using this gel, so I like to it. Put on, press down, flash cure. Shit, I got a heat spike today. I don't know, sometimes I get a heat spike, sometimes I don't. Almond Joy's got nuts, mouse don't. And I got plenty left, but I don't like to be without this gel. I really like it. If you don't know, I have contact dermatitis, so I have to watch what I adhere my nails with. It seems to be HEMA that bothers me, and this is supposed to be HEMA free and without all the other crazy shit in there. So I like having this around. But I know some people are unfortunate. They can't use any kind of gel products at all. So everything bothers them. Because it's not just HEMA that you could get an allergy from. There's different things. It seems to be my trigger is HEMA. But this doing your own nails at home stuff, it can get serious. It can get wild. It definitely can be done safely though. But you can't play around with it. There is acrylic, but I know when people first start, their nails don't really want to deal with acrylic. Because honey, that shit's hard. I don't even got acrylic down yet. I need to start practicing it though. Because I do like the how acrylic looks, you know? Now bake it in a big oven for 60 seconds to get it completely cured. That was just a flash cure the first time, just to get them on there. You know, get them on there and get them right. Take that drill bit again, go right around the cuticles. Again, it's to be done with a hand file. Do it with a hand file. I ain't doing it with no hand file. I got a drill. I'ma use it. Oh, and I said I always stay on low with my natural nail. Really, I stay on low all the time, honey. And that's all right. That's what I feel comfortable at. Natural nail, fake nail, whatever. I'm gonna stay on low. Your ass up out here. Shit. There we go. Now what in the world? Ow. Fucking myself up today. When I'm talking shit, I need to be using a hand file. So I'm gonna go in with the number 2. And I'm gonna use that as my background. Oh, that's, yeah. 2. And I'm only gonna do 1 coat of 2 because I want to keep it really transparent. And really, I don't need to do the base of my nail, just the tips. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's what I wanted. All right. Now I want to take this similar solid color that I have. Let's try this. You know, I ain't want to draw on a straight line. Alright, so there's our line, right? So, and that's going to be our first block. So I'm going to take this solid color and I'm going to stay under that line. Now I know there's probably a better way to do this, but look, this is what I got. All right, I'm giving you what I got. And now I remember that better way. So we're just gonna act like the thumb didn't happen and go on over to this finger here. You know, sometimes you gotta fuck around until you find out. So we found out. So I'm gonna start off by painting the base of my nail like normal. I always put too much. I don't know what's wrong with me in that, but thin layer, not the glob I just did. And you take your brush with some alcohol and just wipe a straight line. Straight across, bam, there we go. That's all I took. So now I'm gonna take my brush and put the next line down. And go ahead and paint downwards, creating the next little block. So I'm doing just different sized blocks randomly going down the nail. Take my brush, I'm gonna clean up that first line I got at the top. Dip it back in some alcohol and just wipe away the extra polish. And bam, there we go. Next line. Make it a wider width this time. Wipe that away. Hit the tip. And I'm going to do this to all of my nails except for the ring finger. I want to do something different with that. All right, and here we are. Okay, I see the vision now. Now let's see. Now what? I didn't think too far ahead on this. I know it. Okay. All right, let me go ahead and put some top coat on here so we can get to business. I'm just going to cover all my nails with plain shiny top coat. And cure that. And I usually put top coat on the underside of my nails, so I'll just go ahead and do that now. Now I'm going to take some matte top coat. Put some over here. And everywhere where we just put that put the lines in, I'm gonna make that matte. This should add some kind of dimension, some kind of flavor to the situation, you know? I'm use my liner brush because I don't want to go past that part. I want to keep the transparent parts shiny. We're done with our matte top coat. Let's go back to our shiny top coat with just a dollop of sparkle in it. And I'm just going to line the matte with this shiny top coat we didn't make. And brick it up, and there we go. Do that to all of my nails, and that's pretty. Now I gotta figure out what we're gonna do with this middle nail, because I still ain't I still ain't figured that out. But you know what? I think I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off with that more clear color. Put that all over the nail. And then I'm gonna take the opaque, the more opaque color, and put a coat of that at the bottom. Take my ombre brush and just ombre that up the nail. I think that looks good. We'll cure that and throw on a second coat so you can actually see the ombre a little bit. Cure that, and I'll put on a shiny coat first and then the matte. Cure it, and that looks pretty good. But I'm not done. I gotta put something on it. So I'm just gonna take that same shiny top coat situation that we made and just line the edges of the nail. Yeah, I think we'll do that. Straight up one side, then go straight up the other side. And I'll do right along the cuticle. Then I'll take these square these rectangle and square rhinestones that I have and place them right in the middle. Straight across. And I think this is a cute little plain set, ain't it? That's adorable. Let me show you in some light. All right, so what you think of this set? I like it. Looks pretty snazzy. Well, I enjoyed spending time with you today. If you enjoyed spending time with me, then please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.